Hi friends, in this video, we will learn about the character set available in Python. Now, the first question that comes in our mind is what exactly is a character set? A set of valid characters that a programming language recognizes is known as its character set. Python is a new age programming language which supports Unicode encoding standard. The default encoding for Python source code is UTF-8. This makes Python one of the very few programming languages that supports multiple languages. Unicode makes it possible to use so many different characters by assigning unique integer code points to each and every Unicode character. In a string literal, you can directly include a Unicode character, or you can also specify the Unicode escape sequence followed by the 4-digit code point. For example, we can print a message in Hindi in Python which says Hindi mein print kare, and we can also print the famous equation E is equal to mc square which uses the Unicode escape sequence for superscript 2. Developers can use Unicode characters not only in string literals but also in identifiers to name variables and functions. The below example shows how variables named using various index script characters are assigned numerical values, and a function named यह क है tests whether the argument passed is equivalent to the Hindi letter k.